Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an Infiniti G35 Pop updated. Start by assessing paint, wheels, and stance to plan upgrades. We will cover paint correction, wheels, suspension, lighting, performance basics, interior touches, and small styling moves that yield big visual impact. I aim to keep advice practical and wallet-friendly, focusing on steps you can do at home or with a trusted shop to make your G35 stand out. We'll dive into paint correction, wheels, suspension, and lighting to improve presence without overspending. Start with a two-stage polish to remove swirl marks and restore gloss. Replace tired headlights with projector or LED units for cleaner light and a modern look. Consider refinishing wheels or installing new tires sized for the rub and stance you want. Finish with tasteful badging and trim pieces to tie the aesthetic together for people. Next, we cover performance, exhaust, and interior touches that add character without wrecking reliability. Start with a quality intake, tune, and exhaust that complements your G35's VQ engine and keeps emissions legal. Upgrade suspension bushings and mounts for sharper response while preserving comfort. Add an aftermarket stereo, sound deadening, and custom shift knob to improve tactile and audio experience. Small changes like fresh floor mats and a wrapped steering wheel feel transformative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.